Okay, I'm in here, but this is illegal. You're letting him leave. This is illegal procedure.
Sit down. Don't you dare.
A woman calls the police for help. 15 minutes later, she is the one in handcuffs. On July 27, 2022, Dayton Police responded to a domestic disturbance reported by Shannon herself. She wanted only her belongings back. She left charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. The footage raises 3 legal questions.
Why? I mean, you guys been out here before? Maybe not you specifically.
Yeah, what's his name?
I don't know. You can ask him the questions. I just want my stuff. He's in there. I don't want press charges or anything. I just want my stuff.
Do you have an ID?
Yeah.
No. What's dog? What's the name of your lady?
It's alright. It's alright.
What's your name?
I'd like to stay anonymous if that's fine. I'm not
Sorry,
pressing
can't.
charges. I just want my
No,
stuff.
we're here, so I need your name.
I just want my stuff.
Shannon Thomas.
Who?
Shannon.
Shannon?
Yeah.
Thomas?
No,
No.
that's my name.
That's my husband. That's my husband.
We are not married.
You are, ain't you?
No.
We are.
Not even a little bit.
That's been my husband.
We have sex occasionally, and that's as far as our relationship goes.
Oh, what?
Well,
Excuse me?
Let me explain. Ohio is not a common law state, so there's no such thing as a common law marriage. You either have
Oh, no, we're married.
marriage certificate or not.
We are married.
Show them the marriage certificate.
Did you hear that?
Cause you ain't got one, cause we're not married, dummy.
My dad married us.
Oh hell.
You don't remember? Really?
No, your dad took you to the mental hospital.
So what? So what?
Look, I just want my stuff.
Listen, okay.
I'm
Well,
sorry.
what
She's got-
property is in dispute here?
Listen,
she's got my
let me
electric
explain.
bike battery.
No.
You know, put it in a bucket of water, and now it's gone. I can't find it. It's not in the house.
No.
Where you guys got here, we were walking down that way, and when she came out from across the street down in the backyard.
Okay. And what property do you want?
I got a bunch of her stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, no.
I got a bunch of her stuff. I got totes full.
Great.
So how long have you been released to here then?
2 days. But they didn't even ask me why. They didn't he was supposed to call these people to come and pick me up, supposedly.
Yeah. But you're too crazy. And I had to call the police.
Have you called electronic home detention yet?
Yeah, I tried to
That's
call
what he
them.
said. I don't know if he called them or not. I don't know if he called them or not.
Called back, nobody answered. I can't get through to him.
Okay.
Yeah.
I called the clerk of court.
Okay, whatever. I'm not even worried about. I mean, I'm
Well,
not,
you should be worried about that.
I should be.
Yeah.
Why?
Because
You can't stay here no more. I tell you
It's
that.
charged. They won't let me relocate anymore.
Then you're going to jail.
Why? I didn't do anything.
You can't stay here. That's why.
Okay, I just want my stuff, honey.
Yeah, give my battery. You can have all your
How? What? The one that's this big?
Yes.
Look, I
The
don't.
one you took.
Dude, it's probably.
Or in your car.
all right. What's so I'm gonna try to call her. What's your name?
Anthony Thomas. I'd be happy to give her back. I just want my battery. It's a $1,200 battery.
You're my fiance. Why the hell would I take money from you?
Where are you going?
To
Why are you going over there?
speak with the officer?
Well, you can go back to the. He'll come and talk to you. Go back to the porch. Hey.
I just wanted to make sure you had the correct information because.
Did you not give him the right information?
Well, yeah. Well, Thomas is. It's not my maiden name. We're engaged to be married. I just want to make sure that he has the right information for the so there's no confusion. Reese. It's soon to be Thomas. If maybe. I'm sorry.
Go way back on the porch.
Okay, my bad.
What's your ankle bracelet for?
I'm on the house detention.
So sit on the porch. We're going to talk here for a minute. We'll be back with you in a minute.
Okay, well, I just wanted to
Yeah, I got your last name.
correct
You're correct.
information.
Yep.
You're right.
Anything else?
Just have a seat on the porch.
Go back over and have a seat. For like the 7th time.
Can I talk?
Shannon.
Go sit on the porch.
Are you here to help me or no?
Yes.
We don't know yet.
Yes. You don't know?
Go have a seat.
What
Have a seat.
were you called out here for?
Have
Was
a
it
seat.
domestic violence or what?
Doesn't matter what we're called.
It
We
doesn't
investigate
matter?
what it is. Go have a seat.
Well,
We're discussing it, and the longer you take,
you're
the longer we
discussing why
take.
you came out here?
Go have a
Is
seat.
that what it is?
Go have a seat.
Have a seat.
Have a seat on your porch or have a seat in our car.
Well, you talk to him, no problem. But it's not, I don't
I gave
get
you
to
2
sit.
options. Sit on the porch or sit in the cruiser.
There's always 3 options.
You said you don't
Not
want
now.
done to have a seat now.
Do what?
You have a seat. You said you didn't want nothing done. Have a seat.
Not there on the porch.
On the porch. On the porch, Shannon.
No, this is my porch. This is the porch. Oh, I don't know.
Do you want to go to jail? Is that your goal?
Oh no, I'm already
Then go
in jail.
Go have a seat on the porch.
In the hole.
On the porch. Where you were sitting at.
I called you guys.
Go sit over there right now. Why is that so hard? Go sit down.
Why? Because I don't understand.
Have a seat. Simple. That's all we ask. Have a seat.
I don't understand.
I can't do this. I don't know what. Sit your butt on the chair on the porch. Simple.
Is that what I do?
On the porch.
Go now.
Why are you like? I just
Go.
want my stuff.
Walk over there and
have a
sit your
seat.
butt on the chair.
Have a seat on the porch. Simple. Not you're going to jail. Have a seat on the porch. It's simple.
Last time, go sit on the porch. Go sit on the porch.
He just put me there.
He put a box there. Go sit there. Okay.
I'm sorry. Oh, so I'm sorry.
Stand up.
This is what they did to me in jail. You know that,
What
right?
did you? Probably.
They treated me like a dog. Like it was disgusting. You know, and Hey, stop! I'm sorry. Are you not gonna read me my rights first?
Nope.
Excuse me.
Nope.
Excuse me, sir. I haven't done anything. I'm a victim here.
Hold still.
He's been breaking my stuff in there all day. You don't understand it. It took you guys forever to get here, and that's all I have is my sentimental things, man. What do you mean? It's already done. The damage is already done because it took them forever to get here. Why did it take you guys so long to get here, by the way? You're just right down the street. Why? Got this water. I'm so thirsty. Look, I don't want him to get in trouble. I don't want me to get in trouble. I just want my things.
Too late for that.
Why?
Have a seat.
Because I'm sitting. I'm sorry. You can't detain me here. This is a kidnapping. Excuse me, you can't put me in these handcuffs. It's illegal. Excuse me, what? Excuse me. You guys, he's in there with my stuff. Hey, I'm gonna get in trouble because this ankle monitor. If I'm away from that house too long, I'm gonna get in trouble. You don't care?
Oh, well, there's one of the black dogs way up there. Oh, there's the second black dog. That one looked more like a Rottweiler.
Excuse me.
Oh, and there's the tan one.
I'm gonna die in here. I need some water.
Well, there's our dogs.
Sir, can you? Why are you ignoring me? I need to call my dad. Daddy! Excuse me! Help! Can I get the dog, please? Can you please get that dog out of there? Hey, you guys please get that dog out of the house, please, so he doesn't do anything? I don't even care about myself. I just want the dog. Hello? No? None of you guys have children or animals?
She is losing her mind right now.
What the fuck? Please, can you go get him? His name is Venom. Officers, help me, please. Hey! Hello? Who's ever on the computer? Can you please listen? I'm being illegally held in the back of the Indianapolis cop car. Excuse me, sir.
What?
I'm dying of thirst. You need to get that dog out of there, please.
Why?
Because there's stuff in there that will hurt him.
Like what?
That man, he's on drugs, probably. I don't know. I just don't want him to hurt the animal. He's mean to that dog, and I don't want him to hurt the dog. I don't even care about my clothes, sir. I don't want anyone to get in trouble, but I'm just worried about that dog. Please, I don't understand. He's very abusive to it for no reason. Excuse me. Oh my god. I need to use the restroom and fucking drink. Hey, what are you waiting on?
Being a bitch all day. So last night, if you have a dude over here while I'm at work, because I work third shift, have over. So if you have a dude over here, you might as well pack your shit up and get out. And she had a dude over. I'm not gonna put you out, but you need to find a place to go. You know.
Hey, excuse me. Excuse me.
Yes.
Can you just open this door a little bit?
No.
It's very hot. Is that bottle of water still down there on the ground?
Yeah.
And what are you guys waiting on? What's the issue here? You're detaining me illegally.
No, stop talking and listen to me.
Well, you didn't read me my rights. I'm not being arrested. You can't put handcuffs on me. I know my rights.
First, was the detention lawful? Under Terry versus Ohio, officers may detain occupants of a domestic call long enough to investigate. The repeated instruction to remain on the porch was a lawful order from the moment officers arrived. Compliance was not optional. Second, was the disorderly conduct charge supported? Ohio Revised Code Section 29:17-11 prohibits violent or turbulent behavior and any act creating a risk of physical harm without lawful purpose. The subject's attempt to exit the cruiser fits the second clause. Crucially, subsection E elevates the offense from a minor misdemeanor to a fourth-degree misdemeanor when the offender persists after reasonable warning. Officers issued the same instruction more than 7 times. The enhanced charge is not punishment for talking back. It is the statute working as written. Third, was Miranda required? The subject demanded the warning. The officer declined. The officer was correct. Miranda versus Arizona requires warnings only before custodial interrogation custody plus questioning. Berkemer versus McCarty reaffirmed this in 1984. The remedy for a Miranda violation is suppression of statements, not dismissal of the arrest. Officers transporting a subject without questioning owe no warning at all. A separate First Amendment issue arose. The subject's profanity and accusations against the officers were protected speech under City of Houston versus Hill. Speech alone is not a crime, but speech paired with non-compliant conduct may be considered as evidence of recklessness in a disorderly conduct prosecution. Use of force never rose above handcuffing. Under Graham versus Connor, the analysis is straightforward, objectively reasonable, easily defensible. The harder issue is not constitutional. It is operational. Officers were told on scene that the subject was on house arrest and had been psychiatrically hospitalized. The ankle monitor was visible. Her behavior in the cruiser was consistent with acute crisis. Crisis intervention team protocols exist for exactly this scenario. Slow the tempo, reduce stimuli, consider mental health diversion for nonviolent offenses. None of these steps appear in the footage. The arrest is legally defensible. The response is not the response a CIT-trained officer is taught to deliver.
Sir, I need to use the restroom. I don't want to make a mess in the back of your car. Hello? You guys are holding me! This is illegal! What the hell? Hey, I need you to call somebody for me, please, because I'm gonna get in trouble if you don't call this number. The home monitor people.
Yep, what's the number?
I don't know. I don't know. It's in the house, I think. It's in my stuff, and he won't let me get it. I'm gonna go to jail. You don't understand. There's a whole list. I don't know.
No, that's fine. You can just tell me, give me the number and a name. That'll be fine. I know.
He's not gonna know where it is either. Oh my God! Hello! You can escort me in there. I need to find this paper, man. You guys have their number, not me, not him. It's on the paper, but you guys know it. You're from the police station. Call them, please. Hello? And you're going through my stuff illegally!
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
You got me in handcuffs! This is like kidnapping! This is so kidnapping!
Since the officers would not assist her, she decides to ramp things up.
I'm being kidnapped then. Okay, I'm allowed to get out of here then? Alright, fine. You never told me that I wasn't allowed to try to escape. Hello? Really? That's my stuff? You're just giving him time to shit so you can plant something on me? Is that it? You've been doing this whole procedure illegally. Call Judge Milnick. Call my judge or the home call my judge. Call my PO right now. I know my rights, and this is not it. This is not Indiana either. This is not Indiana, and I'm not state property. What year is this anyways? Huh? Do women not have rights? Is that what it is? Or are you racist motherfuckers? Or are you just you don't like women? None of you have daughters? No, you probably don't, do you? You don't have daughters or pets. You're probably just all gay, is that what it is? Or you're terrorists as well. You're letting him leave the scene of a crime? Hello? Oh my God! Excuse me, can you hear me?
In there.
Okay, I'm in here, but this is illegal. You're letting him leave. This is illegal procedure.
Sit down!
Don't you dare.
I'm dying.
Settle down!
Okay, I'm not gonna die in here. I'm not gonna
Now
die in
you
here.
just got to sit up.
He's got illegal
gonna
stuff
hop
in
on
that house.
Okay,
Fellers.
sit up.
No, he's got your
Sit up.
daughter's, your wife's stuff Dude, there's a big black. There's a stolen. There's a bike, a big black, a battery thing, a bomb. There's a bomb in there. He's a goddamn terrorist. What the? There's a bomb in that house. Can I please show you? No, you don't want to know? Dude, that has to be what he was talking about. He kept screaming about a battery. Now I know what he's talking about. No, you
Settle down.
Dude, there is. Oh, that's not good. He just left. He just left it in there. You guys, I gotta. Oh my God. You guys. Stop it. This is illegal. You didn't even read me my rights. Sir,
Settle down.
Sam.
Settle
Yes.
down.
Yes, Sam
down.
Munger. Sam Munger. Yes. Samantha. I know Sam. I know Sam. Stop it. I know
Shannon.
Oh, I
Stop
thought
it.
you didn't know my name. You
You.
know my name, Dad.
Get up and settle down.
Greg. Charlie. Brittany, no, what? Come on. See, you do know. Oh, this is why Sam was in there. That's why Sam was in there with their on her wrists. Oh my God.
Sit up.
Daddy! Help! Help me, Daddy! Help! Oh my God, help me! Daddy, that's your son, isn't it? That's why you guys won't. That's why you won't. No! Oh my God!
Put your feet
Daddy,
down.
please!
Put your feet down.
Please! Call Phil right now. Call Phil. Oh, stop it! This is illegal! Ah! Daddy!
Settle down.
Oh my God! Oh my God, Daddy! No!
Grades. The Dayton officers receive a C+ procedurally sound, mental health blind. The arrest survives constitutional review. The encounter does not survive policy review. Shannon Reef receives a D. Her legal claims were wrong on every count, but her conduct is plausibly explained by psychiatric crisis rather than defiance. The department receives a C, pending policy review. Whether a CIT response was even available on this call is the unanswered structural question. 3 brief takeaways. For citizens, Miranda does not stop an arrest. The path that protects rights is silence, compliance, and counsel, in that order. For officers, probable cause and de-escalation are not opposites. An arrest you can win in court can still be the wrong call on the street. For departments, a written mental health response policy is no longer optional. Its absence shows up in footage exactly like this. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.